Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Blackview A90 and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and here let's find apps and notifications. Now let's tap on see all 49 apps, of course 49 in my case, and now let's tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Here we've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap, and here your device is informing you that it will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default applications for actions, background data restrictions for apps, and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on reset apps, and basically that's all. This is how to reset up preferences in your Blackview A90. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.